I'm gonna be doing a DJ50 bike check. This is a hardtail downhill bike. That's what I use it for. It's called a dirt jumper, you know. But right now it is all stock. It's fine. It's kind of heavy. I mean, if I was to switch out like the gears and all that, probably a lot lighter. The frame it's super light, but obviously you can't really tell because everything else is kind of heavy. The only thing that really bums me out is that the rims, they are not double walled, they are single walled. So if I knock it wrong, and I ride pretty hard, so yeah, they'll bend. It's not the rims that bend, it's just they just get moved over because the spokes, you know. Well, you probably don't. I don't know if you do. But we got RST dirt forks. I think they're sick. They're really nice. They can take a beating too. I've probably highest drop on those like 10 feet. It's going some pretty good speed, so it's pretty nice. Here, I'm just gonna do close up on everything so you can get an idea of what everything looks like. Oh yeah, here, they're Weinman Viper rims, I guess, yeah. So here. I actually BMX, so I put Dance Comp on the front sticker here. It's pretty sweet. I do like the colors. We're out here on the trails today, down in Pennsylvania. It's pretty nice to ride out here. See, it says super light frame. This bike is medium frame. Here, let me flip it around for you. So you can get a look at this. Yeah, this is why I like it. This is why I like the forks. Look at those, those are sick. They are preloaded forks. That's a mount for my GoPro. SRAM X4 whatever shifting. I don't know much about the shifting because normally I ride single. And you got the nice KHS logo. Kenda K-Bat tires are really nice. It's probably, I do want to swap out the front tire and get like a big puffy fat tire. Be really good. Alright, let's just get a view wide out. View the water in the front. And I definitely need to get longer bars. I can barely turn. The bike, I can't believe I haven't mentioned this. The bike is $600, $620. Alright, out.